Fire dispatch 24 en route. Copy 124 en route.
Fire dispatch 111 acknowledges page. We will now be responding.
Confirming you said not responding.
That's appropriate. We'll be out of service for the next 6 to 7 hours. Manpower.
Copy. Thank you. I just wanted to confirm.
Squad 7's are out.
7, 17, 18. Morning, Casper. Okay, so I called Natrona to see how they were going in. They have some people going down Cordes Road, which is the road that you guys are going down, and then other units going down Bolton Creek Road, which is on the other side, but nobody's found a direct route in yet.
I haven't found a 2-track or anything that heads over there, and I don't have the vehicle to off-road.
1069.
4-9, if you come back towards me, there's 2 deputies out with me now.
Okay, I'm headed up there.
Units en route to Bolton Creek, they are going to be on event 1515. Again, event 1515. Medical, Cortez Road.
Fire dispatch 124 is out.
Copy 124 at 1957. Squad 7, just for your information, this is going to be a steep incline and recovery. Be at 1959, all units. You'll meet command at Candy Creek Ranch and Cortez Road.
Squad 7 copies, and is it still event 15?
At the moment, they're on LAW TAC 5. We'll see if we can... I'll go ahead and give you guys TAC 11, and then law enforcement can contact you there.
Squad 7 copies, thanks. Squad 7, and that's 124 on TAC 11. Squad 7, go ahead. Hey guys, do you know how far down Cortez Road this is going to be? Yeah, we're guessing around 5 miles, maybe a little bit more. Awesome, thanks guys.
Units en route to Cortez Road, directions per County 31. You can turn into Sloan's, stay on Cortez. When you get to the Y, take the left Y, and you'll see County 31's tail lights.